Hello traders, in this video I'm going to answer the question why I never use a watch list to day trade, and I'll explain what I do instead. I used to use watch list way back in the day, but I found it very troublesome and very easy to lose money, get emotional with the trading. So I'm going to explain why that happens and how to avoid it. So how might someone make a watch list? Now today it's in the middle of the day, it's still trading time right now, but let's pretend that it's March 17th. The market hasn't opened yet. It's before 9:30. So what you may look at is the pre-market top gainers list, just for example, and see which stocks are moving up a lot in the pre-market. Well, PIK was the #1 mover in the pre-market. It ended up going over 83%. I think it was up at 100% at one point. So let's take a look at that chart and I'll explain why it's very dangerous to put a stock like this on your watch list and to start trading it at the open. So this is the day before it went to a high of $1.98. And then you can see here in the pre-market, it really moved up strong, went almost 100% and then pulled back a little bit before the open. And then it shot up at the open, but not for very long. This is the 5-minute chart. Let's go down to the 1-minute chart and see what happened on the 1-minute chart. So we had 3 candles and then pretty much a steady pullback after that, and it never really regained any of that momentum at the open. So yes, there might be some very aggressive traders that jump in right at the open. That's extremely difficult to be profitable doing that over a long period. You may have gotten lucky today, but that's a very difficult way to trade. I speak from experience. And then you could see if you waited for a good pullback and hoped for a rally higher, a second move or something like that, that never really happened. This thing just kind of sold off all day. So what is the danger of having a stock like this on your watch list is that you're going to be vested in it. You're going to have an interest in this stock and trading it and the stock going up throughout the day before it even starts. I mean, maybe you're a short seller and you look at something like this as a short opportunity and today it worked out. But again, that could go just the other way as well. So having a watch list is very dangerous for both long biased or short biased or traders that do both. Because again, you're going to be laser focused on this one single stock or whatever stocks are on your watch list, and you might miss the real opportunities that happen at the open. So how do you avoid kind of teasing yourself into these stocks and focusing on what's really trading during the normal market hours? Is I would suggest building your own screener. For example, I'm trading right now small cap screeners. You can go to investopedia.com and you can find out what are the criteria, like the market cap criteria for different types of stock sectors, small caps, medium caps, large caps, that kind of thing. And when this screener refreshes at the open, which it does at 9:30, it kind of all starts over again. I immediately am able to see, okay, what's really trading at the open. That stock PIK doesn't even pop up on this screener, but that's because it's not a small cap stock. But anyway, if it did, if it was like the #1 volume stock or something like that, then I might be interested in trying to take a trade on it. But if everything that happened kind of during the pre-market, then I'm no longer interested in a stock during the day. So that's the main message here. I really am not a fan of watch lists, whether you make them yourself or you build one from someone else's watch list. I think it's just a way to set yourself up for emotional trading because you're going to think, okay, this stock, this is the one. Look what it did in the pre-market. I'm going to go all in, or I'm going to risk half my account, or maybe you're just going to do your normal trading, but you find out that you're just losing over and over again. So instead of building a watch list, try watching a screener right at the open. I keep this open on my laptop. You can move this to another screen or something like that, and just look at stocks that are trading at the open. That would be my suggestion. Anyway, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If it was helpful, hit the like button. If not, let me know why. And if you haven't done so, subscribe. I usually make day trading videos, swing trading videos. I go over my statistics, my trading plan, all that kind of stuff. So as always, I like to leave you with always go into every single trade with a plan. Stick to that plan no matter what. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.